In this video, we will demonstrate how to fix the C# error. There is no argument given that corresponds to the required parameter variable of function. To begin, I have the default C# console application with a few additional lines of code added and a function to truncate a string that takes two parameters, string and length. If we build the project, it will fail with an error. On line 9, I have a call to that function where we are not passing in a length. This line causes the error because the function cannot be found. This is due to the signatures not matching up. The signature of a function in C# is the name and parameters. There are two ways to resolve this error. We can make the length parameter optional and set it to a default value. That way we don't have to pass that in. And there is a signature that would match our current example. Alternatively, we could call the truncate at function by passing in a string and a length in the appropriate order. Now, when we build the solution, there will be no more errors. Thanks for watching.